My name is Saeed. I live in Belgium. I'm 20 years old. Um, Originally, I'm from Afghanistan. It was for my forehead. The one side of my forehead was a bit fuller than the other side. So yeah, that's for that I wanted to do this surgery. First, yeah, I searched it on Google and I find information about doctor. So I search everything out and contact the doctor. So afterwards, I also called with doctor. Every information that I want to ask, yeah, I have asked before I come here. So information was very clear. It was in September, I think. I have asked to come for the surgery now in December. Yeah, we have done surgery now. I am happy with the result. It looks very good, yeah, and even how I want it. I don't know how to say it in English. Yeah, my English is not so strong. But yeah, everything went well. Yeah, the service team is very good. Yeah, I will totally recommend to everyone who want to do the surgery. Like it's yeah, the doctor here are much more experienced than the other places. I totally yeah totally trusted the doctor. So yeah, it turned out very good. So everyone, the people that want to do come surgery, come, yeah, it's yeah, you're gonna like the result. The doctor is very nice and knows how to do their job.